Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 77 with me, JP, and today we're going to do another algebraic problem, and here it is right here. For what values of A does the equation 1 over 1 plus 1 over x is equal to A has no solution for x. Oh, okay. So for one of these, what we should do first is try to see what x is in terms of A, because obviously we won't get an answer split nice and easy. We won't get that most likely. So what we should do right here is go try to find that. So obviously we can multiply by 1 plus 1 over x on both sides. Multiply by 1 plus for x there. That cancels out. 1 is equal to a parentheses 1 plus 1 over x. Now I don't want to put it in yet because I want to do this. As much as possible, I don't want to touch x. So when I do that, 1 over a is equal to 1 plus 1 over x. And what I can do now, I can minus 1. And I get 1 over a minus 1. 1. So 1 over a minus 1 is equal to 1 over x. I'm going to multiply by x. And I get x parentheses, right here. X parentheses 1 over a minus 1 is equal to 1. Now I can divide by 1 over a minus 1. 1 over a minus 1. And voila, I have x is equal to 1 over a minus 1. That seems like the opposite of this, but yeah. So yeah, that's what it is. Now, onto the part that I need to find out what x is. No, this is not one of those I can just find out. So this one I have to find what, this one is not really for what is x. I'm trying to find for what is a, to find what value of that does not have a solution. And when it's asking that, it's asking for what a legal solution is there. So yeah. So if a, sorry, this pen is not good. If a is equal to 0, what would x be? So basically we would have to replace, x would have to be 1 over 0 minus 1. 1 over 0 is not possible. That's not possible. So this one is automatically illegal. Now if a is equal to 1, that might be a different story. 1 over 1 minus 1. X is equal to 1 over 1 minus 1. X is equal to 1 over 0. Oh, that's also illegal because there's no such thing as 1 over 0. Now let's try 1 over 2. X is equal to 1 over 2 minus 1. We get x is equal to 1 over negative 1 over 2. And then we can use the reciprocal to flip it out there. And we get, to flip it, then we have to get 1 over negative 2. Then we have to flip it up again, which makes it 1 over negative, which actually does 1 over negative 2. Because I don't have to flip it anymore. I just have to make sure it's everything. 1 over negative 2 right there.
Are you sure?
Oh.
The inverse of minus 1?
No.
What is the reverse of 1 over 2? This is the reverse of this.
Negative 2.
Yeah. So you need to erase the one in the middle.
Yeah. So yeah. Incorrect, okay. Sorry. But yeah. So that is legal. So, and if I keep going, all the rest of the possibilities for A, that would be possible. That would be legal. So the answer to here is 1 and 0, because those two are the ones that are not possible or illegal. And I hope you guys did like this video on Great Math today. Now I ask you to please subscribe. Please do subscribe, and also give a big thumbs up for Great Math with me, JP. And I will see you next time. Goodbye. And yeah. And I will see you next time.